Hello, I am Jason, the useless cook, and I'm going to show you today how to make oven roasted Brussels sprouts. Now, of course, the first thing you want to do is preset the oven to 400 degrees. And while it's warming up, you want to start cutting the Brussels. Now, just want to do it in half. Now, you can cut the stem off a bit more if you want, but I don't mind the stem too much, but some people might. You also want to check for wilting or yellow leaves and pull those off. Now, there is not an easy way to cut them in half, you just gotta do it. It shouldn't take too long though. You should see here, it's pretty easy. Well, Brussels sprouts are just tiny little cabbage. They don't taste like cabbage though. They have a bit different taste. They do taste better when you oven roast them, in my opinion. Now once you get them all sliced, you wanna pop them in a Ziploc bag. Like so. About a tablespoon of olive oil, or any oil you prefer. Some salt. And some pepper. Now salt and pepper is to taste. Then you want to seal it. Give it a shake until it's all evenly coated. And pour it out on the baking sheet. Now you want to make it nice and flat and even, so none don't stack atop each other. And you want to put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And after 30 minutes it should look like this. Wasn't that simple? Now, like I said, these taste better because they're nice and flavorful. They keep the crunch to them. And they don't come out all mushy like if you over steam them or boil them. And there you go. Now I do hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the food. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.